I reached a milestone today, you guys. My man, Steel Curtain, one of my favorite moderators, friends, sent me a link today that O'Shea Duke Jackson made that says we're out. Talking about how men are going to Thailand, and he gave me a shout out.
Now, obviously, the last part, the women. And shout out to the brother Richie Mack from Zoom to Thailand. Hey. I'm gonna play this particular clip.
They be mad. See, I don't ask her, y'all. I done said this a million times. I wake up and she handling that business. So shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson. L, say shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson.
Shout out to
Say shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson.
Very long time. Shout out
O'Shea Duke Jackson.
Duke Jackson.
There you go. Let's get it. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
Oh, yeah, but now me that anime out.
Now you gotta learn how to say, what's good, everybody? It's your boy. You gotta be able to say that. Because I have a feeling he's gonna be coming out here, and we gotta really, really lay it out for him. And like, because you know he's gonna tell the truth. Good, bad, or ugly. That's what I wake up to. This is natural. Ain't a bunch of Milli Vanilli going on here. She drinks her little water, and then when she do, I kind of. And then she goes and makes me coffee. Ow! Ow! Damn! What was that for?
For you, woke me.
Woke you? Well, I had a question for you.
What?
So, why you think black man want to zoom to Thailand? You asked me what I thought. I said the food. I said the cost of living. What else did I say? I said the ladies. And then you said, what did you say about you said that's the first thing they come for us?
You said first thing lady first.
You think so?
Sure.
He said sure. More than the food?
Yeah.
Really? Why you think the ladies? Why you think
lady maybe 70% food 30.
Why you think it's the ladies 70%?
Oh. I think.
Really? All right, we're going to have to ask people in the chat room if it's the ladies or what it is. Or what it is. Because, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm sure the ladies got something to do with it.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure.
You sure? You sure?
100% me.
Why you think it's the ladies, though? Why? You think Thai ladies are pretty? Well, they don't all have a big leg.
Every time you talk to backman say, what lady? Where lady? The lady want to see lady, I can talk a lady.
Oh. Well, I mean, I don't blame them. But do all Thai ladies got the big old leg?
Yes.
No, they don't. You go home, he's lying. But you shouldn't say go home. It's a harsh word. Thai people don't really talk harsh. They talk soft. You know, even when Elle and I, like, if I tell her something I don't like, if I speak too hard, her feelings will get hurt.
I am not talk too hard for you. Why do you talk too hard for me?
That's right. That's what she look like fresh out the bed in the morning, y'all. Y'all get to see Elle fresh out. This is what happened on the wake up joint. And then I got my man here to keep an eye on her while I'm gone. My man, he keep an eye, like, yeah, he watching that car. He making sure don't nobody try to come get that car. A lot of them want to come get that car. No, but he right there. Homie's like, hell no, I ain't going down, you dig.
I want to make coffee.
You want to make coffee? I don't have regular coffee. What kind of coffee do I have?
You want Thai coffee.
That's right. I call it Thai coffee because she makes it. If she make it, it's Thai. Oh, you gonna cover them big old legs, huh? Because you know the camera. There you go. Oh, you did that. That was smooth. You got up smooth with that one. I ain't never seen you move that smooth. Wait, let me see what's going on. We need to see what's going on here. This is the process, you guys. I usually be sweet, but where did this from? Where'd that come from? What's this, Noodle? Coffee?
Chocolate night here, friend you give me.
The Fonz gave you. Oh man, the Fonz was so cool, man. Shout out to Taylor, man. He gave Elle a nice little gift. The classy dude, man. We didn't ask for it. He just did it out of his heart. We appreciate that. Shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson. O'Shea Duke Jackson, you don't know this, man, but you've been nominated for an ACA Award, American Creators Award. I talked to MTR, and he said you had did an awards before, but I'm doing one just to give shout out and give props to y'all, especially people like you who's always been helping people your whole career. And I don't know if they actually give you the love back that you've been giving to people over the years, brother. So definitely got you in the mix. Definitely want to collab with you at some point. This is going to be the YouTube version of the Academy Awards. It's going to be classy, cool, and fun to watch. And the best part is, you, the people, get to help us with your vote on who you think should win the award for each category. You dig? Like to see it? Here it goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now the time for the Amazing Creator Awards, also known as the ACA'S.
Celebration, yeah, we used to it. Gotta do it for all of my YouTubers. You deserve your flowers encore. By time we celebrate our awards. So raise your cups up and let's see. Presented by the Traveler G. Now, ready or not, yeah.
The big boy.
Stop us now. What it good be? Hopefully this is what it should be. This is your boy NAONAA.
What up, is DJ EFN.
Drink Chaps, Yappy Hour. Make some noise!
$1 million worth of game.
When I said to my homies, I'm about to start giving game to the youth.
He was crazy.
And I said, I'm gonna get game, and then at the end, you know, I'm gonna be like, right. Them niggas was sitting there looking at me like I was screaming. I don't know. I probably gotta see you do it. Then when I did that shit, yeah, right. You got something to do.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are, so we tell them.
What up, y'all? That's just a little taste of what's about to happen. It's time we give props to the YouTubers that's been grinding over the years. People like Coach Greg Adams,
Melly Monaco, Joe Butt, end of sentence.
Mike Tyson, Is Complicated, Pearly Things, and people you like and people you might not like. Creating a successful YouTube channel is like trying to make it to the NBA, y'all. It's a lot of work. People deserve their flowers, and the Amazing Creator Awards is gonna give it to them. Some of the categories will be Podcast of the Year, Reaction Channel of the Year, Best Comedy Skits, Best Verses, and the People's Champ Awards. Subscribe to my other channel, Zoom to Thailand Live. That's where the Amazing Creator Awards will be had. Each week, as we get closer to the ACA Awards, I'm going to show you guys just a little bit more scenes from the nominees. Subscribers, friends, and haters will also be able to weigh in on the nominees and categories. Make sure to subscribe to Zoom to Thailand Live for all the information.
You did.
Also, if you plan on zooming to Thailand or you need to holler at the Travel OG, join the Patreon. And if you really want a one-on-one, book a consultation and see what the hype is all about. Now, let's get back to Ed.
Let me see them tie toes, though. She got her tie toes did. Show those. Black men like pretty feet. Let me see them tie toes. Come here. Let me stop right there. Let me see them tie toes. Little tie toes with the French tip. Okay. What'd you do? Let me see. Okay. Hands look kind of big though, man. Let me see. You sure you let me see. Hands look kind of big. See them hands. You might be at a palm of basketball with them hands. I'm glad I didn't get spanked by you when I was a kid, boy.
Why? Look big, no.
They're big. Look like
Lady
some rappers. Look like some
Lady like you, beautiful, didn't you?
Oh, that's what they like? So you didn't do that for me, you did that for you?
No, some lady like roasting be too long.
Oh. Yeah, just don't get them Daffy Duck eyelashes, man. You want them Daffy Duck eyelashes? I don't do the Daffy Duck. Man. I don't do the Daffy Duck. So, it's another shot at the chocolate man. He's like, hey, man, we just like the videos and you guys just hang out and just talk, man. You don't need to do all that editing. Just go ahead and do your video and just, just put it up there. Chocolate man, I put work into my videos. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to do all that. All you have to do is just wake up in the morning and film a video and everything will be fun. So you say, dude, you gotta say shout out to Chocolate Man in Thailand. Can you say you gotta do it like this? You gotta say shout out to Chocolate. Here we're gonna feed fire. Oh, don't make that face. that was a cold one right there. I think we're gonna end the stream right here.
Same him left.
Does that sound like him? Does that sound like Chocolate? Does that sound like Chocolate Man in Thailand? That don't sound like that's right. It sound like, yeah. Shout out to all you guys. It's a little wake and bake video. I call it a wake and bake. I'm about to get baked and work on another episode. Y'all know how we do it. Everything is clean, man. The house look like a bomb went off in it. You know what I mean? But this is how we live. This is comfortable. You know what I mean? Thai style with the shirts outside. Hanging on natural dryer. You guys already know this is where it all goes down, right here. So as I get ready to fire up this computer, give y'all another fire episode, y'all know what I'm about to do. Say, this is the view from the pool at the base, you guys. I use that as my screensaver. Else, say theme music.
It's the talk box. Tell them what to do.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.